If you want to sell on YouTube, you need to know that the idea is the most important part of any video. If your idea is trash, your title, thumbnail, and editing don't matter. But here's what other YouTube experts got completely wrong about ideas. They tell you to research and go to your competitors and then copy what works. But that's not the real secret. The real secret is what happens before and after the idea process. These ideas don't always get millions of views, but they for sure make people buy. So today I'm showing you the 3 best ways to generate killer ideas that sell, plus what nobody tells you, how to execute them perfectly. The first way to get ideas that sell is with everybody's favorite, artificial intelligence. But it's not just any AI that we're going to use. We're going to use ChatGPT's deep research option. This new feature that's been added recently searches and saves you tons of time because you don't have to go through every website. It takes, I don't know, fucking hundreds of resources that you can then use and creates a report. Here's exactly how to do it. Go to ChatGPT and select the deep research option and then use my custom prompt. But first, eyes on the screen, we're gonna do it together. Of course, I'm not gonna read the whole damn thing for you guys because it would be a waste of your time, but what I am going to do is that I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can download the whole prompt for free. Look at it as a gift from me to you so you can make this content thing happen. This prompt does have a few custom variables that you're gonna have to fill in with your specific information, and the 4 basic things that you need to have in order to fill out this prompt is that you need to know your ICP, your customer avatar, or who you are targeting on YouTube. You're gonna have to know your competitors or 2 to 3 channels that create similar content in a similar space as you want to create content. You're gonna have to know your niche, your industry, and your transformation. So like a transformation would be fix your marriage and reconnect emotionally within 12 weeks, or I don't know, fix your body and get the dream body inside 8 weeks. So whatever you help people with. And then you're gonna have to know your desired outcome. So do you wanna book calls with your YouTube channel? Do you wanna make sales online? Do you wanna people to sign up for a newsletter? Whatever is your desired outcome. But just so you can see how all of this works live, I created a dummy example of a person that we're gonna create video ideas for or generate with AI, and his name is Jose. He's a fitness trainer and he helps people with flat feet get rid of chronic pain. So we're gonna take the whole prompt, copy it, and then put it inside ChatGPT, and of course put our custom variables, and I'm gonna do that and speed it up. Now I put all these custom variables inside GPT and make sure to be as detailed as possible when explaining all of these things. You can even drop documents in if you have them. I do. I have documents of my target audience and such. So you can just put all of that in so the GPT has a lot of context. And then just turn on run deep research and run the prompt. Now GPT is always going to ask you something to follow up. It usually asks me 1 to 5 questions, but right now it only asked me 1 and I just said yes, and right now it's running right here. It's done generating and we have 10 video ideas that are excellent, and we even have the reasoning behind those ideas so we can see if it makes sense for us. But the video idea number 1 is 5-minute flat foot fix. Daily routine for busy professionals, pain points. So it always tells you the reasoning, which is very good. So you can develop your thinking and maybe come up with some other ideas on your own. Video idea number 2, 3, and so. It's great. The second way is to solve your customers' problems in steps. And I got this one from Alex Hormozi's $100 million offers. And he says, when you create an offer, write every single intricate step your customer takes to reach their goal so you can frame it as a problem. Let's say you want to lose weight. You have to weigh yourself, you have to count calories, prep meals, go grocery shopping, develop a training plan, develop discipline, not to eat out when you're out socializing. And all of these aren't just steps. Don't look at them as steps. Frame them as problems to solve and video topics to create. If you want content that sells, then show people how to solve all of these complex problems deeply, and then position your product as the ultimate solution. Show the information, sell the implementation. But here's the key. They have to be real, tangible problems that people actually have a difficulty solving. People need to feel the pain in order to click on a video. And these problems, they don't even have to be the obvious ones. Someone wanting to lose weight doesn't just have diet problems. They're not confident, they have bad habits, they can't find workout clothes to buy. So create content around all these little problems too, so that later down the line, they have all of these problems fixed and you can guide them to your own service as the ultimate solution. And that's why I'm saying that if you're a coach or you're an educator, 5 ways to make money online won't cut it anymore. If you want to sell, you have to solve. Ad space. If you're a serious business owner with deep expertise in a certain space, in a certain topic, and you need help building a brand on YouTube to get more clients, get more sales, but you don't know the whole process from idea to the posted video, I can help you, and you can book a free brainstorm session call with me and we can talk more, see if we're a fit, see if we can work together. But you can do it in the link in the description. Just book it there and I'll show up personally. The third way of finding killer ideas on YouTube that sell is called Competitor Outlier Research. And this is not your basic go to your competitors and see what works and then copy them type of advice. We're gonna go more in depth. The first thing that you want to do is pick 1 to 3 creators with similar topics as you, so like similar niche, talking about similar things, and that you like the way they talk and the content they make, but they have better results than you. Then go to their channel, click the popular tab on their videos and find the outliers. What are the outliers? They are videos that performed way better than the average of their channel. Look at the topics of those videos and then make your own versions. But this is where most people stop. The real trick is watching how they structure those videos. Where is the hook? Where's the call to action? What is the meaty part of the video? What is the point 1, 2, 3? Is it a listicle or is it a step-by-step tutorial? What is the whole grandiose point of the video? The point that the video tries to make, the big point. Then take notes on how you can execute all of that better. Add a bonus step, include a free resource, have a better perspective than them, go more into depth. Bottom line, make the video better. So those were the 3 ways to get killer ideas that sell. But what you still don't know is how to execute them. And that's what separates the pros from everyone else. Enter what I call content formats. So what most people think YouTube education means is sit down videos only. We sit down for 50 minutes like me and you right now. We talk, I don't know, we have 5 points, 5 steps, and that's it. Well, that's wrong. An idea is just that. It's an idea. Without a format to execute it consistently, you won't get anything done. So think of these content formats as delivery vehicles for your ideas. Let's say you're going somewhere. You can go by plane, you can ride a bike, you can walk, you can drive a car. So that same principle applies to ideas. You can share your knowledge in different ways. You can make a video with the same idea, but make a talking head video. Then you can make a step-by-step video. Then you can make a podcast on that same topic, on that same idea. Then you can make a reaction video, a ranking video, a on-screen tutorial. So you can have one idea and then make 10 different videos which all have different execution of the same idea. And the secret to all of this is having a list of content formats to choose from. And then after that, finding your format. And by finding your format, I mean finding the one that works, the one that the audience likes, and then the one that you shine the most in and that you can create the most consistently. And you can also combine these formats. Let's say you make a ranking video, but then you have a talking head segment explaining why you ranked one thing the lowest. So some examples of creators using these formats is Mike Israetel. He used reactions to grow. Jack Neal used his podcast. Charlie Morgan used his visual breakdown long form videos. As I said, these are just different ways of delivering your unique personality and knowledge to your audience. And because I believe in giving maximum value, I've created a Notion page with proven content formats that you can use right now. It's everything I know, all the content formats that I could come up with. So just get it by clicking the link in the description. It's totally free. So here's a quick recap of everything we learned today. First, my special ChatGPT deep research prompt for endless ideas that works almost perfectly. Link is in the description. Second, outline every problem your customer faces, even the small, invincible ones, and solve them by making a video about them. And third, find competitor outliers and recreate them better by analyzing those videos and actually making them better, adding a point, adding a step, giving a free resource, making more value, creating more value. Plus, find your content format, the delivery vehicle that you're gonna deliver knowledge with, and that works for you and your audience and your personality so you can be more consistent. So that's it. Like, subscribe if I helped you, and go create content that actually converts, and I'll see you in the next video.